Hello, I'm Rudy Lapeer and I am the module organizer of the Advanced Programming Concepts and Techniques module. And I will talk in a nutshell, that is, what this module is all about. First of all, you will learn quite a bit about programming languages, and we will cover basically anything from very old languages, which are not strictly obsolete, to current popular languages and new kids on the block. We will look at different programming language paradigms and also look at compiler and interpreter design. We also will look at advanced concepts in software engineering, programming code optimization, high performance computing, and more specifically GPU programming using CUDA and OpenCL, because that is a very cheap way of doing high performance computing, because most of you will have a decent video adapter card in your laptop or desktop. And we also will look at specific languages, and the one that stands out in that sort of a little line there in the bottom is F#, which is a functional programming language. The delivery of the course is in 2 hours asynchronous online lectures, and these will be on Monday from 9 till 11. I will also provide you with additional material via asynchronous mode. That will be either recorded videos or PowerPoint slides that I have created, and I will also point you to the relevant literature of particular subjects that we will cover in the module. Finally, on Mondays from 3:30 to 5 o'clock, you will also have a 1.5 hour live laboratory session in PC Labs 1 and 2. Finally, the assessment is actually in 2 parts. We have a project worth 60% and a computer-based course test worth 40%. Project is either in group or individual. You have to create a desktop application that is a kind of proper software product with a scientific or algorithmic element to it. And examples from the past include, but not limited to, are compiler interpreters, simulations of ecologies, traffic, aircraft boarding, fire escape or emergency kind of situations, games engines, rendering or physics and other kind of game engine related software, maths or stats software, and anything else that you believe would be worthwhile doing a project in. Finally, the computer-based course test is made up of 2 parts. An F# programming test, which you typically do in 2 hours. I will give you a stub basically of some programming code that will have some functionality, but the idea will be that you increase that functionality within the 2 hours according to some specifications I gave. And finally, also a curriculum test that includes both multiple choice and single answer questions. If you have any further questions about the module, please feel free to drop me an email. My email address is at the top of the presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.